What's going on, everybody? In this video we're going to be comparing Yahoo Access, the brand new browser from Yahoo. We're going to be comparing it to Mobile Safari. And Mobile Safari is of course Apple's version of their web browser for iOS devices. And this is what Mobile Safari looks like. Very clean, kind of grayish look to it. Very simple, very easy to use. And of course in the next clip we're going to be showing you Yahoo Access. So this is what Yahoo Access looks like. Very black, very sleek, very nice. And they have this search bar on top, and they have all the settings on the bottom as well. So let's go ahead and compare the two browsers and see how they stack up. So here are what the browsers look like side by side. Yahoo Access, of course, has that black, sleek look, and Mobile Safari just has that clean, grayish kind of look. Really easy to use, really simple. And let's go ahead and compare the two browsers. Let's see how they stack up and which one is the winner. So to access your bookmarks and your read list on Yahoo Access, you just click that button in the top right corner and it shows your reading list and your favorites in these little thumbnails here. And on Mobile Safari on the left, on your bookmarks, it just shows it as a list, as you can tell. We're just going through here, and here's your reading list on Mobile Safari. Close out of these, back to bookmarks, and basically this is what you're going to look like if you want to access bookmarks or reading lists. So this is just a look on how to add bookmarks and things to your reading list on each device. It doesn't look like Yahoo Access supports printing at this time, so take that into consideration when choosing your web browser. So the coolest part about Yahoo Access is that when you pull down this main page, they have a feature which they are calling Smart Search, and it allows you to type in a couple words and then it shows you all the different web pages that could be related to the word that you typed in. And also right here we're typing in Apple, and as you can tell, the first result is of course Yahoo, why not? And then all these different pages that have anything to do with Apple, and we're just scrolling through here. So that's a really cool feature of Yahoo Access. Now this also works for photos, so you can swipe to the left one time and choose photos, and now it's going to load up all these different pictures of Apple because we typed that into the search bar. So here's some pictures of Apple. Now these are all the settings that Yahoo Access allows you to change. Not very much actually, but it is the first version, so this might change in the future. So these are what tabs are going to look like on Yahoo Access. They just have this simple clean layout where you can actually see the web page. And on Mobile Safari, of course, you have the tabs up here on the top with iOS 5. To load a new tab, you just press that plus button. And to see your tabs, it's just going to look like this. You can see the thumbnail of the web page. Really cool addition. Very nice on Yahoo Access. Nothing like that on Mobile Safari, just a blank little tab up there on the top. Alright guys, now we're going to clear the history and all that stuff for a web browsing battle to see which one's faster. The only way I could find it on Yahoo Access was to clear the history, so that's what we did. Okay guys, here we go. Let's load up the New York Times and see which one wins. And it looks like Mobile Safari barely beat it. So when I'm zooming in here on Yahoo Access, it only lets me zoom in to a certain degree here. As you can tell, I'm trying to zoom in farther, but that's the farthest it's going to let me go. And Mobile Safari lets me zoom in much more further. So if you have really bad vision and you really can't see it, I'd say Mobile Safari is the best version for you. Here's another example. This is the farthest I can go on Yahoo Access. Let's go ahead and try another web page here. We'll try CNN this time, so let's go ahead and get them started. And they're off to the races. Here we go. And it looks like Mobile Safari has beat it, and Yahoo Access was just behind it again. So here's another example of zooming in. You can only go to a certain degree on Yahoo Access. Alright, so now we're just going to click this link inside of CNN, and it looks like Mobile Safari has beat it, and Yahoo Access has stalled right here loading up this video on the CNN website. So it looks like Mobile Safari has beat it in all three of these tests. Pretty good browser. I prefer Yahoo Access actually for tabs because it's a lot nicer, but Mobile Safari is just a tiny bit faster. So there you go guys, that was a comparison. Alright guys, that was a comparison between Mobile Safari and Yahoo Access on this device. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and hopefully it gives you a good idea of which browser to choose. Thanks for watching.